Okay, so once you've tested all of your LEDs, it's time to install the control board. Basically, you should have had wires hanging out here off of side one, the ones that were slightly longer. You're going to take those wires and you're going to terminate them on the other side of the control board. This side here will have the battery holder. This will be your access when the cube is folded up. So you will take your power wire, you'll bring it around and you'll insert it into the bottom or top, depending on how you look at this board, but basically the opposite side with the switch and header. The stuff, you're going to put it on the side with the chip. So you're going to take your wires and you're going to insert them on the side with the PIC chip. You're going to insert your power wire, your red wire, the 5 volts here. So you're going to insert your 5 volts here, and then the corresponding R, CO, RAO, etc., corresponding to your diagram that you had earlier, right here. So here's your diagram. So you're going to hook all of those to the corresponding pads on your control board. If, when you're done with this, you have some LEDs not working on your board, but they are in the corresponding side is also working, then the problem, for example, let's be clear on that. But here's our board. And if we look here, we can call this the bottom left. But this, if this one was working and this one was not, then the problem would be somewhere between, would probably be an LED. Now, if this one was working and say the rest of them, all the corners were not working, then the problem would be in the wiring between this, because remember, it jumps. It starts out here on the control board, let's say RC0. It comes over here. It's providing a path to ground because they're all positive all the time. So it's providing a path to ground from here, 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 and here. And so that path to ground, if it's broken, then more than likely that one LED for the rest of the sides will not work. And so that goes with any of them. They're going to be corresponding. Now, if none of the LEDs work on the corresponding side, then the problem more than likely is either in the wiring going to the control board, or somehow, some way we've blown possibly a transistor. This would probably be the most sensitive part. We've blown one of these, because you should have already tested all of these, but if one of them blows during install, then it would possibly be one of these. Check for direction on these. Check that you've inserted these resistors correctly, because when you did your test, if you didn't insert them correctly, you could have burned up that whole set of LEDs by jumpering the wires on the previous step. So once you have all of that done, I have a small assembly video posted. We'll try to post more as we get some students ready to fold them up, and you're good to go.